let's get started. You see here this square says h1. Okay, every time you play, check if it says h1. If you see h1, which means that is white side. Okay, so all of this side, we call it a white side. Then this side, just like you've guessed, we call it black side. All right, this is where you find your black pieces, right? Just like this. Okay, and now if you notice, everything is the same besides these parts. All right, so let's see. This side, we call it Kingside, EFGH. That is Kingside. Then we have Queenside. Okay, then now let's go even deeper. We have this small box here. Okay, if you look at your chessboard like this, your vision will improve. This small part, we call it black's Kingside. Then we have this part, we call it white's Kingside. And what do we call this? Yes, that's what we call it. We call it white's Queenside. Then the last one, we call it black's Queenside. Okay, then that's your chessboard. And also, if you keep learning more about chess, you hear that when you develop your pieces, you have to control the center. This is the center. That's why most players, you see them opening like this. Even grandmasters, they open with e4 because you have to control the center to control the game. All right, so your center is these 4 squares, right? Then another thing that you have to know is this line, they have names. Okay, we do not just call them lines. Okay, so this one, we do not call it a vertical line, we call it a file. Okay, all of those lines, we call them files, right? So you'll find in books, chess books, even in chess videos, they will say these are files. You see, they will refer them as files. And then we have these ones, we call them ranks. So if you ever played football or any tournament and you hear they talking about the rankings, okay, this is what they mean. Number 1, this team is in number 1, this team number 2, this team number 3. Okay, those are rankings. Okay, so those are ranks, right? Then the final ones, we call them diagonals. Okay, this is simple, diagonals.